Out of hand soap? Dove Men+Care Minerals+Sage Body Wash is just as effective for cleaning hands. Infused with nature's refreshers, minerals and sage. Gives a boost of freshness that leaves you feeling renewed. Sage, peppermint and eucalyptus provide an energizing yet comforting scent. Dove Men's Body Wash is developed specifically for men's skin. Healthy feeling skin begins with the right body wash for men that balances power and comfort. They cleanse, leaving your skin feeling renewed and hydrated to protect against dryness. Dove Men+Care Minerals+Sage Body Wash, infused with ingredients inspired by nature, offers a complete clean and an energizing sense of freshness, without irritation. Specifically developed for men's skin, Dove Men+Care Minerals+Sage Body Wash is formulated with MICROMOISTURE technology, which activates on skin and rinses away easily. Recommended by dermatologists, it's clinically proven to fight skin dryness better than regular men's body wash. Minerals are known for their ability to gently cleanse skin, and sage is known for its skin-soothing properties. Dove Men+Care Minerals+Sage Body Wash is formulated with straightforward ingredients to provide a boost of freshness, and can be used every day to hydrate skin and help prevent dryness on both the body and face. Use in the morning, followed by Dove Men+Care Minerals+Sage deodorant or antiperspirant, for a refreshing sage, peppermint and eucalyptus-scented start to the day. In the shower, squeeze enough Dove Men+Care Minerals+Sage Body Wash to cover half the palm. Rub hands together until the gel begins to foam. Wash body and face and rinse thoroughly. Top reviews from the United States. For personal choice, this is it. I know every guy has his choice for soap, but this one is probably the only one from Dove that never steered me wrong. The scent is great and it really deep cleans ya after a hard work's day.